Hello everyone, and welcome to our long-range ECM forecast on the 15th of June 2025. So as you know, recently we've been discussing the prospect of this summer spell of weather coming up through the week. And I think that this ECM check on the long-range forecast will just help determine how long this will last. We'll see what this model has to say about the pressure, temperature, and rainfall anomalies for the next 6 weeks, and just try and see what this is showing. Obviously, any forecast beyond about 10 days is unreliable, so therefore don't take that too seriously beyond week 2. So here is week 1 pressure anomaly. So as we know, this week we're seeing this Azores high ridging in from southwest, and that would bring a lot of warm and dry weather. Hence, the temperature anomaly is about 1 to 3 degrees above average in those pink colours there. Even warmer in the UK, and rainfall is below average, quite a bit, so quite a dry and warm week to get us started in mid-June. Week 2 is the last week of June. This week keeps the high pressure over us there, and it's over us into our north, and that might allow a gentle easterly wind in over the country. The temperature anomalies week 2 are still very warm, about 1 to 3 degrees above average, and the precip anomalies are drier than average. So warm and dry according to the ECM long range forecast for the end of June. Week 3 is the start of July. Now this goes a bit more changeable, I think. So we see some high pressure towards the south, towards the Azores and Iberia, and a trough of low towards Scandinavia. Probably going back to a more westerly pattern if this is correct, with like lows to the north, highs to southwesterly winds. So the temperature anomaly, it sort of falls back a bit to about 1 degree above average only. Definitely cooling there, and then precipitation is above average to our north and below to our south. Definitely a more zonal westerly signal here for week 3. Week 4 is July 7th to 14th. Quite mysterious here. We got an area of high pressure towards Canada and Newfoundland. Otherwise, nothing to go with there. Week 4 temperature anomaly, about average really, or a bit above. And precip anomalies are a bit dry to the south of the UK and very wet to the north. It could be that it gets a bit more settled there, given that it's drier over here. I think that the Azores high might be trying to come back, and the lows are being trapped towards the north. Week 5 is July 14th to 21st. That properly brings back the summer weather. High pressure is right over the country, to bring some plenty of dry and warm weather. Therefore, temperatures do increase, and rainfall should dry off. Yes, it does. And finally, week 6 is July 21st to 28th. That high pressure stays over us into our east even, and that might allow some hot air to just drift in from southeast. The temperature anomalies remain very warm, and precip anomalies remain very dry. So the ECM today, this long range model, is hinting at a warm and dry end of June. Well, basically a warm and dry rest of June. Early July is looking a bit more changeable, but by mid to late July we're back to some weather. Obviously, long range forecasts mainly for fun and interest, so don't take it overly seriously. Everyone, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.